Okay, what's up guys? My name is Farudin Yusuf Ahnaf from TIS 18.2 Stekom University Semarang. Welcome to my channel guys. Today I will make something cooking tutorials. Legend food of Indonesian. What is that? You know, noodle from Indonesian? Yes, this is Indomie, seleraku. Okay, let's go guys. The ingredients is the pan, spoon, plate, Indomie, and 1400 milliliter water. Let's go. Okay, first step, turn on the stove and pan. Give a 1400 milliliter water. After water is boiled, add the noodle and stir slowly 3 minutes. While the noodle is being cooked, put the seasoning sauce and the chili sauce on the plate. Take the cooked noodle from the boiling water and drain it. Put the cooked noodle into plate with seasoning soy sauce and chili sauce. Mix well. Mix and mix again. Okay, that is it. Legend food of Indonesian. Noodle Indomie, seleraku. Okay, you can eat. Sedap. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget subscribe my channel, and goodbye.